guys, let us practice small letters. And here we go. O R A N G E Orange. Now tell me small a. B L U E Blue. Now it's your turn. Where is letter B? Nice! B L A C K. It's black. Let me know where is letter C. You are smart. R E D. It's red. Now, where is D? Good job! W H I T E. White. Where is E? Well done, you won. K N I F E. Knife. Locate. Where is letter F? It's raining. K A N G A R O. Oh, kangaroo. Now, find me the letter G. Nice! Come on, guys, for next. S C H O O L. School. In school. Where is H? Wow! Yay! It's train. P I N K. Pink. Please find small I.
Well done!
O B J E C T. Object. Guys, find me small j in here. Heavy bike. J A C K E T, jacket. Tell me the letter K in jacket.
Yeah! Horse cart.
V E L V E T, velvet. Now, find me letter L in this combination.
It's fighter jet.
L A M P, lamp. Please find out the letter M in here.
This is Early Childhood Education System, prepared by educationists according to world standard. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel for more benefits in future. Thanks.